Hello! I'm going to show you how to make compost at home without bugs, insects, pests, and smell. You can use your homemade compost within 2 to 3 weeks. Dry leaves take time to compost, but other stuff already mixed with the soil, so I will just use this now. I use this shovel to measure the mixture of my compost. 1 portion of kitchen scrap, 1 portion of coffee ground, 1 portion of dry leaves, 3 portions of soil, 1 portion of rice husk, and 1 portion of cow manure, 1 portion of eggshells. Crush eggshells into small pieces to speed up the compost process. Cut dry leaves into small pieces and also kitchen scraps into small pieces. Add a bit of sugar to make it compost faster and mix them well. Add 1 cup of microorganism. Keep the compost pile moisture by adding water. And mix them well. Place the compost into this bag. This bag has so many holes around, so it helps with air circulation. Close the bag and place it at shaded area without direct sunlight, without rain, without water, and just keep turning it over every 2 or 3 days.